Thousands of cafeterias still track meals on paper slips that vanish before the kitchen reads them. And nobody can tell you how much food goes to waste each day. Manual systems depend on handwritten registers, phone calls, and fragile spreadsheets that collapse during peak lunch hours when hundreds of employees crowd the counter demanding orders at once. Digital Canteen software replaces all of that with instant QR-based ordering and mobile meal booking, cutting order processing time from 20 minutes down to seconds with zero lost slips. Real-time meal tracking is where digital pulls decisively ahead. Employee-level consumption records replace guesswork and give managers department-wide analytics and historical data they simply never had before. Going paperless eliminates printed coupons, physical registers, and manual approvals entirely, while automated billing catches every mistake that used to slip through the old spreadsheet without anyone noticing. Most managers overlook this part. Digital demand forecasting does not just track what people ate yesterday, it predicts tomorrow's meal counts and slashes food waste by up to 30%. That crumpled paper slip becomes a single live dashboard. Meals tracked, costs optimized, waste cut. Every cafeteria running smarter, whether it feeds 50 people or 5.
Like, subscribe, and share.